If px positive 5 times qx positive 3 equals to 8x squared positive rx positive 15 for all values of x, and p positive q equals to 6, what are two possible values for r? Okay, now let's consider the given equation over here. In this equation, we have to find two possible values for r. Okay, so using Desmos to get the value of unknown constant in the equation, we have to take this equation as input in Desmos. When I do so, instead of x, I have to take x1, and instead of equal sign, I have to use the tilde sign. Okay, now let me take this equation as input in Desmos. That is p times x1 positive 5 times q times x1 positive 3. Then we have to take tilde sign. Then 8 x1 square positive r times x1 positive 15. Okay, I have taken the given equation as input. Now we have to consider this stuff, that is p positive q equals to 6. Actually, this is also an equation, but this equation contains two unknown constants p and q. When I give this equation as input in Desmos, I have to solve for one of the constants over here, either for p or for q. Okay, now let me solve for p in this equation. Then I'm getting p equals to 6 negative q. Now let's take this one as input in Desmos over here. Okay, let me type it. That is p equals to 6 negative q. And the equation we have in the problem contains multiple unknown constants like p, q, r. Since it contains a multiple unknown constant, we have to give multiple values as input for x, I mean for x1 in Desmos. Okay, now let me type x1 equals to give multiple values as input for x1, what we can do is we can take 1, then take 3 dots, then take 10, close the square bracket. So Desmos will automatically take input values for x1, that is 10 input values. Okay, here I got the value of r, that is r equals to 22. And I find this value 22 in answer choice C, and I don't find 22 in other answer choices. So the correct answer choice for this question must be answer choice C. 22 and 26 are the two possible values for r.